Llamas or Texas Longhorns, however you want to do it. Rip. I do spread 3 fingers because it's technically a 32. So we're gonna spread the 3 fingers for that. The A ball, you can either close the fingers or show sign language, whatever's easiest for you. Yep, 2. Yeah, push 1. Yep, wiggle the finger. B. Yeah, hand. There you go. So we'll work on the sign language. Worst case, you call it a 1. C. Form C, good. Pop. Remember what we decided? Pac-Man. Yep. D. So you can either do this. The issue is, the reason it became this for me in college, so not a D, this looks like a 1 ball, right? This is really confusing, and then you're gonna miss your middle. And it happens to everybody. But maybe what we do for no confusion is this then, okay? Fire, I don't really, so the high ball, so there's technically a ball higher than the fire, which is a 9 ball, and that's usually spread fingers. So for the fire, we're just gonna go close fingers, okay? Deal? What's the red? Yep. What's the Bic? Something like this, yeah. And then the blue? Yep. Make sense? Okay. Sounds good. So what I wanna do now, ladies, we're gonna go out into the court and we're gonna talk just a little bit of strategy because I need consistent terminology. So when I start yapping things at you guys, I need you to understand what I mean. So we're gonna talk about fronting middles. We're gonna talk about what it means to reverse a flow. We're gonna talk about transition plays, using middles in transition, when to use middles in transition and where to use them. We're gonna talk about identifying mismatches and how best to kind of use mismatches, and then what to do, let's say, if your middles are having a really off tournament and the mismatch is in the middle, what do you do then? Right? What do you do if kids are struggling? How do you get kids hot? How do you keep them hot? This is what we're gonna talk about over the course of the season, but I wanna introduce some of the terminology now, if that's okay with you guys. You may have heard me word vomit these out of my mouth before, but I wanna just clarify for everyone, especially those who have never worked with me before.